Looking good. Let's see, real shaky today. We're gonna try not to destroy it. Still gotta be trimmed a little bit. Woo! The wheels don't want to stay on this one. Just testing it out on 3S, the wheels want to come off and it's so powerful. I got that gyro thing on there. I turned the sensitivity down on that receiver. The gyro wouldn't let me turn. And it's still hard to turn on the grass. Thing looks pretty sweet. Gonna love driving at night with those lights on. Let's see what it can do over here. Oh, can't turn it. Gotta really slow down. This gyro's coming off. I don't like it. I don't like it. Don't like it. Whoa, look out for the tree, dude. Wow, this thing is, let's see what a good thing I put that wheelie bar on the wing on there. This thing really flies. Oh. Woo! Man, that's powerful. Here's the dog walkers. Woo! Nice. I'm gonna be loving this thing. Uh-oh. Hey buddy, how you doing? Ooh. Front flip, huh? How'd you like that front flip, buddy? Woo! It's going to attract the hawk, no doubt. Now we got